Welcome back to the Cotton channel. So did you know that MacBook actually comes with blue light filter? So it kind of acts as a blue light filter because at the end of the day, blue light filter is when you don't want too much blue coming towards your eyes. So here's what we can do. So you're gonna go to your system preferences. So you go to the top left corner and then you click on the Apple icon, click on system preferences, and then you click on the display button. Okay, so there's two ways of doing this. I don't know if method number one is the accurate one, but let's look at method number one. So method number one is True Tone. So True Tone kind of adjusts the lighting according to the ambience. So right now I have kind of a very blue lighting environment, and then it kind of makes it more yellowish, if this makes sense. Okay, so let's look at method number two, which is a even more accurate way of doing this, because as a designer we really need to look at colors more accurately. But I would say blue light filter should not be the something that you are doing when you are color grading or you are designing with colors and stuff like that, and color is an important part of it. Okay, so let's look at method number two. So method number two is you click on the night shift button. So you can put a schedule over here, or sunset to sunrise. Okay, this is interesting. So that means that whenever the sun sets and until the sunrise, that means that at night, right? Okay, so or we can turn it on right now. So this will turn it very yellowish. So it depends on how much you want to set this to. So I don't know if it will show on this screen recording, but for me now it looks very orangey. So I'm just going to turn this off. So now you know that these are the two options that you can use to turn on the blue light filter so that it might be easier on your eyes. So yeah, so this is how you do it. So please leave in a comment if you have any questions or if you have any difficulties setting this thing up. Just let me know. So we've come to the end of this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, bye bye.